If you missed it in Tampa, your point leader Chase Sexton crashed, which ended up leaving Malcolm Stewart towards the win. Cooper, Anderson, and Justin Cooper finishing in 1, 2, 3, 4, which leaves Chase Sexton off the podium. Now, obviously, interviews are done for 1, 2, and 3, but being that he was or is the point leader, he would also be probably somebody that they would want to interview, especially considering he threw away another win. And it seems like because of that, he has been fined twice. Well, he's definitely been fined twice, but it seems like he's been fined twice for the same thing. Now, according to the AMA rulebook, the refusing a broadcaster interview, the first offense is $8,000. That was what he was fined for. There was also the second fine, however you want to call it, was for a code of conduct violation, which the code of conduct violation is not specified anywhere. It's not said it's not says nobody said whatever what he did or why he got the second fine, but it seemed like he was probably getting fined for the same thing. Now, if you look at the code of conduct, penalty options, and guidelines, the third one is failure to complete media obligations as outlined in the rulebook. So I'm pretty sure that Feld decided to fine him twice for the exact same thing, which is kind of funny. I mean, it's also not surprising at all that it's, hey, we're going to fine you for something, and then we're also going to fine you for the same thing under a different category. And honestly, for whatever it is, $1,000 each, this is absolutely nothing. That's not money that's a really big issue, especially for a factory guy. Or, well, for a factory guy. If it was a privateer, probably yes. But I just find it funny that they can fine you for one thing and then fine you again under a different, set of words, a different code, whatever, for the exact same thing, and we're just going to call it something else. And it is. I mean, I understand if you're Chase Sexton, like obviously you had a win in the bag. I mean, maybe Malcolm Stewart would have caught him, maybe he would have passed him. Uh, you know, who knows what? Nobody will ever know because it didn't happen. But to throw in another win to finish fifth, he was probably mad and he just said, I don't want to do this interview. I'm fifth. I'm going to go back to the trailer and be done for the night and move on from this. And for somebody having to come up to you, a broadcaster or whatever, and you know what they're going to ask. Hey, well, what happened? Why did you throw it away? Why did you finish fifth? It's always going to be the same question. It's going to be super annoying. And obviously, it's just he didn't want to talk about it. And well, he's going to take the fine for it, I guess, and we'll see where it goes from there. I mean, obviously, this goes back to, I think it's basically a new rule for, was it last year before, something like that. It's not something that's always been around, but I think they're trying to be more like the big boy ball and stick sports. The Marshawn Lynch. I'm just here so I don't get fined, and who knows? You might see a lot of that, or you might see more of that coming. If somebody doesn't want to answer questions, they're just gonna answer them with the way they want to. But I don't know. Coming into next week, you guys tell me who wins. Who wins the 250 title? Who wins the 450 title? Now that Tomac is gone and a bunch of other people are injured, whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.